First of all, it was wonderful to be here. I'm Pradeep Gopal and I have 18 years of experience in HR. I specialize in talent acquisition and corp-com. So many of your instances were from your part of life, which was really touching. Thoroughly enjoyed this.
Being the part of this learning session, it was wonderful session. I learned many things, how to handle the employees and good employees and how to improve the organization, retaining them.
Coming from Apollo Power Systems Private Limited. The topic was very interesting because the concept has been evolved in a larger extent as of now. So before the HR was only pertaining to recruitment, pertaining to only employee engagement, such kind of activities. But now HR is a very vital role, and as you said very rightly, because all these days, we were actually looking out for this kind of an eye-opener session because we have that potentiality, but we were unable to pull it out from our end to make sure that we yield good results. And now your session on flow and hope, this kind of topics have opened our eyes in a larger way, and definitely we are pretty sure that we are going to implement this and we are going to bring good changes for the organization for which we are working right now.